Hello and welcome to this short tutorial where I'm going to take you through using night video mode on the DJI Mini 4 Pro. Now, as you can see, it's pretty dark out here now, and this is the perfect time to show you how to use night video. So basically when we're shooting in our normal video mode, we're sort of limited when it comes to ISO and different things like that, especially for filming in darker environments. But when we're going to night video mode, we have an ISO limit all the way up to 12,800, which allows us to have an image that looks much brighter, and there are also some other things going on in the background to do with noise reduction, sharpening, and things like that to help make our image look even better at nighttime. So I've got the drone up in the sky now, and I'm going to show you a quick demonstration of using night mode on the DJI Mini 4 Pro. Okay, so you can see it's pretty dark out here on the screen. Now, in order to access night video mode, we first off need to click on the little film reel icon above the shutter button, and then that's going to give us the option here on the left-hand side to click on night, which is going to give me night video. Now that's going to optimize all of my settings to be shooting at night, and you can again shoot here in auto, or if you want to shoot in pro, you can change it to shoot in pro to have more control over all your different settings. Now, like I said, if I click on ISO, we have the ability to take it all the way up to 12,800, which is way too much for this situation, but we have that there if we need to. Now, a lot of the times when shooting at night, leaving it in auto on night video actually does a pretty good job. Now, one thing you are going to want to change is the exposure value in order to light the scene how you think is appropriate. Now here, if I leave it on 0, I actually think this looks a little bit too unnaturally bright, where if I pull it all the way down here, even if I go all the way down to 3, we can now see it's quite dark, but you can get a much more natural looking image. So if I go somewhere in between, maybe around -2 there, this is actually a paddle court you can see here, and we can see that's actually quite nicely exposed. So I'm going to take a little video clip of this, and then we're going to see what it looks like. So we're going to do a little bit of an orbit going on here. And it looks absolutely stunning. Okay, so if I point the camera up a little bit more, we can now see all the lights in the distance. And if I just do a bit of a forward flight here, again, we're still in night video mode, and we're just capturing some really beautiful nighttime footage. Okay, so that's basically how you go about using the night video mode on the Mini 4 Pro. You can see it yields some really fantastic results, especially in nighttime environments, obviously, but you now know how to make the most out of it, how to make some subtle adjustments to make things look even better. If you've gained value from this video, consider becoming a member on Patreon, as it's one of the best ways to support the work that I'm doing here. Now, I actually also have a complete drone videography course, which will take you from where you are now all the way to an advanced drone pilot and a cinematic genius. Now, it's literally already transforming people's flying and footage, and it will do exactly the same for you. Now, I've actually also started a weekly newsletter giving you the latest drone news, hot tips, and discounts, and you can find all of this linked in the video description down below. And whilst you're down there, make sure to tap the subscribe button for more videos like this. You should go and check out this video next. Thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.